Good morning, Professor. What strategic cleaning processes and procedures are we diving into today?
Good morning, Bella. We're tackling exactly what you asked about last week. The significance of each of the 9 steps for cleaning a bathroom, why they're in that order, and why each one matters. Do you remember asking about that?
How about we spend the next 9 weeks of our sessions discussing the importance of each of the 9 steps in cleaning a bathroom? Oh, right. Sometimes I think your memory is better than mine.
Sometimes, Bella. Well, I do hope you remember the 9 steps for cleaning a bathroom.
Step 1. Gather rugs and trash. Step 2. Long dust. Step 3. Vacuum. Step 4. Pre-treat. Step 5. Scrub and rinse. Step 6. Wipe and shine. Step 7. Clean the toilet. Step 8. Mop the floors. Step 9. Wrapping up. That was easy, Professor, because I've been doing it all week. Wouldn't do it any other way. Now tell me the strategy behind Step 1, gathering rugs and trash.
Well, look at you. Straight A's. You've got all the steps down perfectly. I'm proud of you, Bella. Now let's talk about Step 1. There's a reason we gather the trash first, and it's simple: to avoid forgetting it. When the trash is tucked away behind a cabinet or out of sight, it's easy to miss. Before we made it the first step, we received too many complaints about missed trash. And let me tell you, Bella, as the one who has to deal with those complaints, I'm not a fan.
I can understand that. I've missed the trash before too, but only once or twice. Maybe.
Exactly. So by making trash removal Step 1, we eliminate the chance of forgetting it. Before the steps, it was often missed, so we built it into the process to make sure it doesn't happen. That's the clean, smart way.
Got it. But why do we take the rugs out with the trash? I mean, I can see them. I'm not going to forget those. In fact, sometimes I trip over them.
Ah, you answered your own question, Bella. You move the rugs so you don't trip over them, or worse, drip cleaning solutions on them. Replacing damaged rugs eats into our profits. It's a simple precaution that keeps you safe and protects their property.
Now I get it. I'm glad we have these steps, so I won't risk falling and breaking my arm. I'll see you next time for Step 2, long dusting.
Looking forward to it. So long, Bella.